Diabetes is a cruel disease. It will make you regret life. You will never get to eat the delicious foods you love. All you get is drugs and insulin that you hate to take every day. Given the side effects of these drugs, we sure are jeopardizing our life in the long run by using these drugs. You can bet that in every family there is one or even more persons suffering from diabetes. Among all the diabetic patients, 95% of the diabetic people in America have type 2 diabetes. Here is diabetes freedom that can save you from the critical effects of type 2 diabetes. It is a groundbreaking product that will naturally lower your high blood sugar levels to normal. Do you want to become diabetes-free by using diabetes freedom? Then, keep reading this honest review on diabetes freedom. What is diabetes freedom? When your insulin cannot process the glucose in your body effectively, it leads to a rise in glucose in your bloodstream, and you become diabetic. Diabetes freedom will give you the exact methods to reduce the glucose level in your body. When the enzymes in your body are not in balance, the glucose will not be utilized properly, and this raises the amount of sugar in your blood. Diabetes freedom consists of a meal plan that will aim to keep the balance of your enzymes. It will also reduce the amount of glucose by your liver and kidneys. The imbalance in the proteins and enzymes in our body will lead to excess sugar production in the liver and kidneys. Using diabetes freedom, you can neutralize the enzymes that are responsible for sugar production. So your blood sugar will come to normal. How does it work? We are all familiar that insulin balances the glucose level in blood. But there is also glucose in your kidneys and liver, which is not affected by insulin. Though you take insulin for type 2 diabetes, the glucose level stays higher because of your kidneys and liver sugar. You need to look for other ways to control the overall sugar in your body. Diabetes freedom will focus on blood sugar that is not affected by insulin. This process will drastically lower your overall blood sugar. The program will give you a meal plan that consists of fruits and vegetables that will reduce the insulin-independent sugar in your kidneys and liver. Kenneth Pullman and his team researched with various combinations of enzymes that could lower the blood glucose level. The result of this research led to the discovery of a combination of amino acids, essential fatty acids, and proteins that can decrease the blood sugar by 95%. From Diabetes Freedom, you will get to know the correct combination of foods you need to add in your diet to be diabetic-free. This diet will balance the enzymes in your body, and it will help in a metabolism boost. It will also include a few supplements that can keep your blood sugar under control. How Diabetes Freedom supports your health. Diabetes Freedom will make you independent of your pills, drugs, and insulin. Your blood sugar will reach normally. This guide will suggest you take the right nutrients at the right time. It will also eliminate every possible symptom of diabetes and ensures good health. You can start to eat your favorite foods, one by one. This program will tell you the best ways to add delicious foods in your diet. You never have to miss the dessert sections after your meal. Diabetic patients are destined to miss at least 10 years of their life because of the symptoms and side effects of drugs. When you use Diabetes Freedom, you will get your extraordinary health back. You will live longer and risk-free. You will finally be relieved of checkups and insulin pricks. Benefits of Diabetes Freedom. Diabetes Freedom can bring your blood sugar to be normal within a few weeks. It is a clinically tested and proven program. The diet in this program is easy to follow. You can get immediate access to the product after your purchase. The program can be viewed in your smartphones, laptops, and tablets. You get your money back if you are not satisfied with the program. Drawbacks. You cannot buy this product anywhere except on its official website. Click the link in the description below to get a special discount on the Diabetes Freedom program. The results you get from this program might vary among people. The final verdict: if you want to enjoy your life, then you should have good health. Diabetes is affecting many people's life and grabbing their happiness. Diabetes Freedom can help you overcome diabetes. It will ensure good health for you. If you have a healthy body and mind, you can live like it is heaven on earth. As there is a money-back guarantee, you need not think much. Just place your order and start using it immediately for 60 days. If you are not satisfied with the results of this program, then leave a message to their support team. They will refund your money without asking any questions. Click the link in the description below to get a special discount on the Diabetes Freedom Program.